What is going on? Welcome to Greggles TV. This video is all about the Oakley Meta HSTN AI glasses. Now, these glasses, we unveiled them yesterday. We know they're gonna go on to pre-order. At least the limited edition ones will be on pre-order for $4.99. The other versions of these glasses will go for $3.99, and those will come out later this summer. I expect probably somewhere 2 to 3 weeks after the initial pre-order of the limited edition ones. And we heard that there's two big things for them. One is the battery has been basically doubled from 4 hours of use time up to 8 hours of use time. Huge jump, but we can't test that because we don't have it in hand. The other big thing though is the camera. The camera's going up from 1080p on these Ray-Ban Metas to the Oakley Metas are gonna go up to 3K video. And we have some footage of this in action. And when it's playing, remember a couple of things. One, it is obviously uploaded to social media. There is a bit of degradation of quality in video that happens with this when you do that. So take that into consideration. And then that's really what you have to think about, because otherwise it's probably going to look great. So the footage that you're seeing has all been captured with the Oakley Meta HSTN glasses, and it's all through the social media accounts of Oakley Meta, and it shows off a couple of things here. One, it looks like for sure that the video is definitely vertical video. I know I'm been getting a lot of comments on a video I did yesterday saying like, hey, is it vertical or is it horizontal? I really hope it's horizontal. It looks like it's vertical based off the footage that they're showing. Now, there's always the chance that they'll surprise us and be like, hey, look it, we're gonna do horizontal video. I don't think it's gonna happen. I think it's gonna only be vertical video. I think they're really trying to make a push towards the social media generation. Kids that generally post videos nowadays, especially the ones that are getting somewhat big, are the ones that are just shooting vertical video. Obviously they can expand into horizontal video, I'm not saying that, but it's much easier to build your audience with vertical video over horizontal. And this party that they show them off, everybody's a celebrity or a sports star. They have Travis Scott, I believe it is. I don't listen to hip hop or rap, but I think it's Travis Scott. And then they have Russell Wilson, Tom Brady, I believe it's Derek Jeter, some other people as well in this video showing them off. And it just shows, and then some female, I don't know who that girl is. If you guys know that girl, it says her name, Livy, I don't know who that is. But anyways, it shows off the Oakley Metas, and the video quality is definitely good. Now, is it so good that I'm looking at this with these that I've had, and you know, I'm not there to compare it side by side, so maybe it is a major difference. But when I look at it, I am not, whoa, that is a huge difference. It might be, but based off what I'm just seeing, again, just looking at it, it doesn't seem like anything I couldn't record with these. But the lighting at the event is, it's okay, the lighting. And you know, a cell phone might struggle as well, but it definitely didn't do amazing in the low light. It's good, don't get me wrong, it's good, but it's not like, oh my God, that's a total difference. But again, I still wanna compare them side by side before I'm like, yes, no difference, or yes, there is a big difference. It's hard to tell. The outdoor footage definitely looks really good. And that's obviously a little bit more manufactured. Who knows, did they put any editing into it in terms of like improving the video artificially, or with color balance and anything within the video editing software? We don't know that. They're not gonna obviously say that, but the manufactured footage of wearing the glasses, showing what it captured, looks really good, really good. And then the live event, like I said, it's more showing off that like, hey, it records pretty good. Doesn't completely blow me away, but it looks good. But yeah, I think that, you know, seeing these, especially on people, I'm kind of like, man, I don't know if I can pull those off, especially the LTD version, the limited edition. I don't know if I can pull those ones off. I might look a little dorky. Not that I don't look dorky already, but I might look extra dorky in those glasses. They might be a little bit too cool for me, but I still plan on getting them for sure and trying them out, because having the extra battery life and better cameras is a big turn on to me, huge turn on to me. And then whatever else is in there that's gonna end up showing its face of being better quality than the Meta Ray-Bans. But these ones, the Oakley Metas, definitely have I feel like they're definitely more of even though they look fairly close to the Ray-Ban Metas, They definitely have more of a, especially the limited edition, has more of like a wow factor for sure. They're white, they stand out. You can see the cameras more, which is something I don't know if I'm totally attracted to with the white version, because you can see the cameras. I like these black versions because it's not like the camera's not instantly drawing your eye. It does catch some people's eyes, but if you're not recording, it's not constantly like, what are those two black dots right here on the white cameras? It's something that would probably attract more people's eyes and garner more attention than the black ones are. I really like the black amethyst ones. Those are really cool, but at the same time, I don't want to wait for a month, weeks down the road, however long it takes, in order to get that information and try these out and get my own opinion. So like I said, I'll probably pick up the limited editions, but so far they look good. What do you guys think? I'm curious what your opinion is on these Oakley Meta glasses. Are they blowing you away? Is the look just okay? I feel like in the comments it's really a mixed bag. Some people are like, yes, I'm getting them. Other people are like, nah, it's not that impressive. I'm good with the battery life I have. I'm good with the cameras that I have. I'm good with the price that I've paid. I'm good with the look of these being better than the Oakley. So it's really like, I feel like it's about 50-50, but let me know in the comments down below your opinions on these, and let's have a discussion. Have a great day. We'll see you down the road. Peace.